Hey there, welcome to Web2 Marketing Online, where I explore how to make money, affiliate marketing, AI tools, trends, and new product reviews. In today's video, we're going to be covering the newest product I've come across to be sure. So stick around. Plus, I've got some special bonuses lined up for you if you purchase through the link in the description below. Stay tuned till the end for all the details. Let's go.
Virtual Commissions is an innovative platform designed to help individuals earn income through a unique online business model. By leveraging a system that allows users to promote and sell digital products, members can create a recurring revenue stream. The program offers comprehensive training and resources, ensuring that even those new to online marketing can find success. Users benefit from a community of support and mentorship, helping to foster growth and learning. The platform features a range of high-quality digital products, making it easier to attract potential customers. With its straightforward setup process, users can start earning commissions quickly. Additionally, Virtual Commissions emphasizes the importance of automation, allowing members to focus on scaling their business. Overall, this opportunity presents a viable solution for anyone looking to generate income online.
Okay, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to give this video a like, please. It helps out. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Turn on the notifications so you don't miss out the next newest product. Remember those bonuses? Remember those bonuses are just a click away. Use the link below to grab them now, and I'll see you on the next video. Later. Bye.